Hey there, garden enthusiasts, welcome back to. Today I'm going to reveal the secret to growing an abundance of zucchinis right from seeds in soil bags. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this method is foolproof and yields tons of delicious zucchinis. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. 1. High-quality zucchini seeds. Choose a variety that suits your taste and climate. 2. Soil bags. Make sure they're large enough to accommodate the growth of zucchini plants. 3. Premium potting mix. A mix that's rich in nutrients and well-draining. 4. A watering can or hose, for regular watering. 5. Fertilizer. Organic options are great for healthy growth. Start by preparing your soil bags. Fill them up with the premium potting mix. Ensure the soil is loose and well aerated to promote healthy root growth. Leave about an inch from the top to prevent spillage when watering. Now it's time to plant the seeds. Make small holes about an inch deep and space them out evenly. Drop a couple of seeds into each hole. Cover them lightly with soil and give them a good watering. Planting tip. Plant 2 to 3 seeds per hole to ensure successful germination. Watering is crucial in the early stages. It's important to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Remember to water gently to avoid displacing the seeds. After about 7 to 10 days, you'll see the seedlings sprouting. Once they have a few true leaves, it's time to thin them out. Choose the strongest seedling in each spot and remove the others to reduce competition. As the plants grow, they'll need extra nutrients. Feed them with a balanced organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. This boosts their growth and enhances fruit production. Soon your plants will start flowering. Both male and female flowers are needed for pollination. To encourage more fruit, you can hand pollinate by transferring pollen from the male flowers to the female ones. With the right care, you'll start seeing zucchinis growing in no time. Harvest them when they're about 6 to 8 inches long for the best flavor and texture. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce even more fruit. And there you have it, folks. The secret to growing an abundance of zucchinis from seeds in soil bags. It's simple, effective, and rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!